Got a secret. Hi everybody, my name is Joyce Datura and I am the new director of the JV JT swing team in the Columbus area.
And I'm Amy with the Crystal Ballroom Dance Center, and we are teaming up to host the JV JT swing team in Columbus.
This is a super exciting opportunity for you to grow your West Coast swing, to be part of a really fun team. And the best part is you get to learn some amazing choreography by 11-time US World Open champions, Jordan Frisbee and Tatiana Molman.
I'm so excited about this.
Oh, I'm beyond excited. Our practices are going to start October 9th. Our season runs 6 months. You'll spend 5 months learning the choreography, another month finalizing the performance aspects of the choreography, and then we'll have the opportunity to perform at local events such as Crystal Ballroom's Spring Showcase.
Practices are going to be every other Saturday, so if you aren't in Columbus, you can still participate as long as you're within driving distance.
If you sign up before September 15th, we are offering you a very good discount, early bird special of $320. Prices will go up after that. Contact us for further details. If you need a payment plan, we also have that available to you.
If you are looking to see what is the JV JT swing team, look that up. Google JV JT swing team and look at past years to see an idea of the choreography. We're going to learn a ton about West Coast swing and everything you need to know to become a better dancer. On September 11th, join us for an open house where Joy and I will be teaching a little bit of West Coast swing choreography together to demonstrate our teaching style, and so you get to come in, ask any questions you have, and join the team that day. Let's all connect through dance at the Crystal Ballroom Dance Center.